In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a Revit file in Revit. Now, the first thing you have to do is open your host Revit project. So I have mine open over here. It's just a sample for this tutorial. And then you want to navigate to your appropriate view. So this could be like a floor plan or a 3D view or whatever you want to use. Then you want to go to this Insert tab up top. And then on the Insert tab on the left, you can find Link Revit. So you want to click on that, and then you want to basically browse your files and locate the Revit model you want to link. So I'm going to go down here, and I have this sample link over here. I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see, it's going to pop up, and you can click on the Open button. Now, of course, over here, if your project, or of course your file, whatever you want to call this, is a different version, so if it's like 2026, but you're using 2027 right now, it's going to have to convert it, so we're going to have to wait for like a few seconds for this to actually be done. If it's a huge model, it could take a few minutes as well, and then it's going to link it for you. But for this case, I'm just going to use, of course, this one, which is actually the same version. Down here, you can also select the positioning if you want to and change this, and you can just go and click on the Open button, and it's going to link it when, of course, this loading is complete. So that's really all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.